Welcome to this quick video that will walk you through the 3 most common ways to power an RFID reader: AC adapter, power over Ethernet using a Poe Injector, or power over Ethernet using the compatible Poe Plus network standard. I've laid out these 3 options next to our ThingMagic Izar UHF RFID reader. On the far left is the simplest option, powering over Ethernet, also called PoE, using a single Ethernet cable. Your network standard must be Poe Plus, and you must have a Cat5 or Cat6 Ethernet cable in order to use this method. Click on the link in the top right corner now to learn more about the network requirements necessary. In the middle of the table, I've laid out a typical AC adapter setup, which includes the line cord and the power brick. I've also included an Ethernet cable in this setup for data transmission. On the far right is the setup for a Poe system using a Poe Injector for systems that do not have access to an updated Poe Plus network standard and cabling. This setup includes 2 Ethernet cables, a line cord, and a Poe Injector. Now I'm going to quickly power our ThingMagic Izar reader with each of the setups on the table. PoE. For the PoE setup, simply plug one end of the Cat5 or Cat6 cable into your RFID reader's LAN/PoE port and the other end into an Ethernet wall port. AC adapter. To use an AC adapter, connect the line cord and the power brick. Then plug one end of the AC adapter into your reader's power port and the other end into a standard power outlet. Then grab your Ethernet cable and plug one side into your RFID reader's LAN/PoE port and the other side into a computer's Ethernet port or an Ethernet wall port. Poe Injector. To use a Poe Injector, first connect the line cord and the power brick portion. Then grab the first Ethernet cable and connect one end into the out port on the Poe Injector and the other end into the LAN/PoE port on the RFID reader. Then grab the second Ethernet cable and connect one end into the in port on the Poe Injector and the other end into a computer's Ethernet port or an Ethernet wall port. Finally, plug in the Poe Injector to a standard power outlet. Thanks for watching this short video on 3 common ways to power your RFID reader. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.